I got a lovely message here from Jen. I want to share this with you because people are often surprised. The new apprentices, the new students are often surprised that I personalize and video record the messages. I look at their onboarding forms. I'm the one who takes a personal interest. One of the reasons why we limit the number of people we take on board to 25 at a time, because otherwise I wouldn't have the time to give that personal attention. And I'd rather have small groups and give personal attention than have lots of people and disappoint anybody and not get them to profitability, which is my goal, to get them to profitability. We don't do what other people do, which is fob it off to somebody else, and sort of you'll hear the person whose idea the whole course or the software is talking about how their junior person is going to be the one, usually a scruffy looking person who's never had a job in their life doing anything, who they're going to be the ones training you. Oh, this is our trainer. Really, do you want to learn how to trade and invest off a trainer, or do you want to learn off a fund manager? I mean, that's the bottom line. So that's why I limit the numbers and take people on individually, and individually go through their onboarding forms, go through their what they want and what services they need and how to help them, and make sure that if they've got any issues with trading or with investing and any bits they don't understand, it's me who personally replies back to them. Okay, the only time we have the team helping them is if it's something technical like installing the software. They don't need me to do that. You've got the technical people. It'll be Judy, Francisco, might be Paresh, it could be anybody, okay, helping them with that. So just even though, as I say, people are often surprised it's me personally doing things, I'm delighted that in fact it is me.